It saved this owner about $60,000. We're installing Ecodur over a low slope metal roof. What is Ecodur? It's a coating product that can be used for roof repairs, a lot of different other applications as well. It provides 100% solid coating on top of that metal roof. We are one of the very few contractors in all the Southeast. We are the first in Georgia to be certified with Ecodur. To date, this is the largest Ecodur coating job that's ever been done in the state of Georgia. This roof has been leaking for a lot of years. They've had a lot of issues with it. Other people have come and tried to repair, patch. So we have a solution for them, it's Ecodur. And the great thing about it is it's made in the United States of America. It's made in Houston, Texas. It is natural. It has two main ingredients, gypsum and castor oil, and it's fast drying. There's no maximum amount of coats. You don't have to put anything else on. You don't have to come back with EPDM or TPO or metal over it, and water can stand on it without it voiding the warranty. So TPO, you cannot do that. You can even color on top of Ecodur any color you want. You could put your company logo on top of it if you want to, so the helicopter can see it. Now, we will have to coat this again probably in 10 years, and it's still gonna be less money than if they had done the other route. And it's easy to fix, it's easy to maintain, and it saves people a lot of money. Look, roofs are boring. Nobody goes, hey, guess what? I can't wait, I'm getting a new roof today. I'm not even gonna be able to see it, especially low slope roofs. Nobody can see these things. They see the fronts of the store. They don't really care, they just want their roof not to leak. So why spend any more money than you have to spend? Run your business, use that money to grow your business. Don't spend it on roofing stuff you don't have to spend it on. Call us.